They said I was too old for bikinis and beauty trends. But one simple ritual made me feel and look 20 years younger. People whispered, "Full bush in a bikini at her age." And you know what? I leaned into it, because my secret isn't about defying age. It's about defining confidence on my own terms. Today, I'm sharing the 10 steps that transformed not just my skin, but my entire outlook. First, the confidence mirror rule. Before any beauty change, remember that confidence starts in the mirror. Stand tall and smile at your reflection for just 10 seconds. It's a simple trick I learned from powerhouse women in London. Body posture actually boosts your confidence hormones. This isn't about judging your reflection, it's about connecting with it. It helps you build emotional trust with yourself. Because beauty isn't in the wax, it's in how you carry it. Next up, the warm glow prep. Ever noticed how your skin just glows differently in the summer? We can recreate that. Before you even think about waxing, use a warm towel compress. This is a spa trick from high-end salons in Sydney. It softens the hair follicles naturally, which significantly reduces pain. Plus, it gives your skin this radiant finish without any harsh chemicals. It's a sensory experience that feels instantly familiar and luxurious. Your skin will thank you instantly. Now for the breathe and release method. What if I told you that just breathing could make waxing easier? It sounds simple, but it's a game changer. When you're waxing at home, take deep, intentional breaths. This technique is borrowed from yoga sessions in Vancouver, where the mantra is, calm equals control. Deep breathing lowers the tension in your body, which actually reduces your perception of pain. As your pain drops, your confidence rises. When you breathe through beauty, you own it. Let's move on to the oil finish secret. A single drop of the right oil can completely change your post-wax glow. After waxing, forget perfumed lotions that sting. Reach for pure coconut or jojoba oil instead. This is inspired by German skincare spas, known for their minimalist, effective routines. This oil seals in hydration, soothes any redness almost immediately, and adds an instant, healthy shine. The glow isn't from makeup, it's from care. Fifth, the stretch and smile hack. Did you know a 5-second stretch can make your skin behave better? Before you start your waxing ritual, do some light leg and hip stretches. This is a common wellness tip from Australian surf culture, where movement equals youth. Stretching improves blood flow, which keeps the skin elastic and helps reduce those annoying post-wax bumps. It's a simple, breezy habit that makes a huge difference. Number 6 is the skin kindness rule. Ask yourself this: would you treat your face like this? Then don't treat your bikini line worse. After waxing, exfoliate gently with a soft cloth, never a harsh scrub. This is a practice favored by Scandinavian women who prefer natural, gentle care. It's about respecting your skin, not punishing it into submission. Your skin deserves kindness, not toughness. Then comes my favorite part, the glow hour ritual. The most youthful, radiant women I know never skip this. It's called glow hour. After your beauty routine, take 1 full hour just for yourself. Whether it's sipping tea, listening to music, or taking a quiet walk, this mental rest is crucial. It lowers cortisol and boosts your natural radiance. Think of those serene London evening parks or German coffee walks. Relaxation is the new retinol. Number 8 is the scent memory anchor. Your brain remembers scents longer than it remembers faces. Choose a calming, beautiful scent like lavender, sandalwood, or rose. Use that same scent every single time you do this ritual. Over time, your brain will associate that scent with confidence and calm, making each session emotionally easier. It turns a simple habit into a powerful ritual. Every scent becomes a reminder of your courage. Next, the collagen boost moment. Want your skin to bounce back like it did in your 20s? Here's a science-backed hack from Toronto dermatology circles. Post-wax, apply a serum with aloe vera and vitamin C. This powerful combination reinforces your skin's barrier and promotes elasticity, helping it recover and rebuild. This proves your skin isn't just aging, it's responding to care. And finally, number 10, the ritual of renewal. Every glow has a story, and this one is yours. Take a moment each week to reflect on your progress both inside and out. How do you feel? What have you noticed? This practice of reflection is a cornerstone of Nordic wellness culture, where it's seen as a form of empowerment. This brings us full circle. You didn't just wax, you awakened. This journey isn't about chasing trends or looking younger. It's about remembering that every woman, at any age, deserves to feel radiant, bold, and beautifully herself. It's about learning to glow, to grow, and to own your story. Thank you so much for watching. If one of these rituals resonated with you, let me know in the comments below. Your glow story might be the one that inspires another woman. And if you're ready to join a community of women who glow with confidence, not filters, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.